Well, earlier in the show, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Sharon Portenier about the efforts it takes to get cattle ready for winter.
That interview will be on our Facebook page a little bit later this morning. Right now, Sharon is back with a recipe to share that could be good for any upcoming seasonal gathering.
Well, here on the program, we always like to hear from our Common Ground volunteers on recipes that they might recommend. And sometimes it's cookies, sometimes it's a casserole. Today, we're learning about a drink, a special drink to try. And joining me now with more on this is Sharon Portenier again. And Sharon, what do you have for us?
Well, we're making an apple cider punch today. Our family likes to have something fun to drink at Thanksgiving or whatever gathering we're having in the fall. And it's something that everyone can enjoy, from our little grandchildren up to our big kids. So it's very, very simple. We have apple cider, and you can adjust the recipe according to how much you need. And then we have ginger ale. We'll mix those in. And then there's frozen orange juice. It's been sitting out here a little bit, so it's not as frozen, but that'll go in just for a little added flavor. And then we'll stir it up. So like I said, it's very simple to do, very quick. And then we have some cinnamon sticks. It said you can put them in the punch. I thought I would just put one in the glass and then pour it over the cinnamon stick. And if you're being really fancy and you want to put it in a punch bowl, it's suggested to have sliced apples or oranges and float in your punch bowl to make it a little more attractive.
Oh, yeah, that sounds great. I mean, visually, I think that's going to be something people will enjoy on the table.
You know, if you're having a Halloween party, or as we go into Thanksgiving or even Christmas, cider is good any time of the year.
And Sharon, you can get the apple cider almost anywhere, right? There's no particular one to get.
I just bought this at our local grocery store. It came in a gallon jug. And so you could go to a farmer's market. I know we used to make apple cider at my sister-in-law or my sister's in-laws. They had an orchard, and we pressed the apples and made our own apple cider. So this kind of thing brings back those memories.
Okay, Sharon. Well, thank you very much for telling us about this, and we look forward to trying it.
Okay, thanks, John.